morning everyone. I woke up early. I checked my bike to ride from Hattiban to Konjyosom Waterfall. This is in Lalitpur, a nice place near home. The road goes through green hills on both sides. Plants grow tall and thick. They look breathtaking and full of green color. Leaves shine in the soft light, flowers in spots, red and yellow. It feels like a painting come alive. The weather is silent and cloudy. Grey clouds cover the sky. A cool wind touches my face. It might rain soon. I look up and pray it stays dry. Rain can destroy our fun ride. I meet my brother at the start. He smiles and waves. We say hello and go together. We take the base route from Hattiban to Hattiban and South then to Sunakothi with its small shop. Next Thecho, where house sit quite, then Chapakao full of fields, then Lele up in the hills. We miss path one time, no worries, we stop and open Google Maps. The screen shows the way. Also, we can ask to the local people. A kind uncle points and say, go straight, then left. They smile and help. Now we can ride on. I love to ride a bike. It gives me true freedom and a big sense of adventure. No car traps me in traffic jams. Instead, I explore new roads with twists. I see quiet villages where kids play. I find hidden trails between trees. No one else goes there. The simple act of pedaling with my own legs makes me feel alive. It connects me deep to the land, the air, and to myself. On weekends, especially, cycling to the spot like this feels like a reset button from my whole week. No more scrolling on my phone all day. No staying home in one room. I go out into the open air, fresh and clean. I move my body strong. I discover new corners of Lalitpur, old temples, rice fields, smiling faces. The weekend turns alive, more colorful, and very personal. Each ride becomes a fresh story. I carry it back into my busy day ahead. It gives me energy. So for me, a weekend cycling trip to a peaceful place like Konjyosom Waterfall is more than just body exercise. It is my way to escape the noise. It lets me recharge my spirit. It helps me reconnect with nature and me. the uphill roads, my body wakes up more. Every movement matters. My hands tighten firm on the handlebars. My back leans a bit forward for power. I focus on a steady rhythm. Push, pull, breath. No rush to the top. Sometimes I shift to a lighter gear. I spin the pedal slower but smoother. The climb turns into a slow, controlled meditation. The steep incline taught patience. It says, trust me, even a small step move you close to the top. I smile inside when I reach it. Rain from before makes the road happy and destroyed. Mud and stones mix everywhere. Water sits in big puddles on the road. When my tires hit the water, it splashes anywhere. Left, right, up on my legs. We ride very safe and calm. No rush. We watch every turn. Slow speed keeps us dry and steady. A big yellow bulldozer moves rocks and dirt. Its engines roars loud. We stop and wait a moment. They finish one part. We pass slow. Wave thanks. The road now feels smooth under our wheels. Halfway into the road, I feel a mix of hard oak and sharp focus. My legs burn from the push. Sweat beads on my skin. My breath comes deep and steady. The hills rise steep and green. They test me. There is a strange joy in the struggle. I notice my heartbeat matches the quick pace of the wheels. My mind starts to empty out. Daily worries fade like mist. What stays is the soft sound of tires on wet asphalt, birds singing in the distance. The road turns to the kind of meditation track. Every bend feels like a small, smart decision. It pulls me deeper into the green world. get close to my way, the sound of falling water grows louder and more inviting. It calls me like a friend. I park my cycle. I take a short walk on a dirt trail. Green plants brush my arms. Moss covers old stones. I reach the spot. Cool mist wets my face. The waterfall cascades down tall, moss-covered rocks. White water foams and sparkles. I stand there, sweaty and a little out of breath. My chest rises, falls. I feel a deep sense of calm and real achievement. The whole ride builds to this one peaceful moment. Time stops here. On the ride back, the same road and thick forest feel like old friends I know well. I say goodbye in a good way. The bumps shake me gentle. The climbs pull all my tired legs, but now they feel familiar, like a story I just lived. The forest whispered soft encouragement through rustling leaves. Shade from tall trees cools my whole hot skin. My legs thank the cool air. The whole experience settles in my mind. It is more than a simple cycle ride. It is moving conversation between me and the bumpy road and the living forest that guards Konjyosom Waterfall. By the end of the ride, I feel tired but deeply satisfied inside. My muscles ache from the walk. My clothes have dust and mud spots. Sweat dries sticky on my back, but my mind feels much lighter now. The many kilometers have carried away some heavy worries. There is a quiet pride in my heart. I pushed my body hard. I saw sacred place of fast car would miss. For a few good hours, I truly lived in the moment. No phone, no rush. Riding a cycle, not just exercise for the body. It is a strong feeling of movement, sweet freedom, and inner peace at all once.